Okay, this is my dog, Moosey Lucy. Actually, her name is Lucetta, and she's not a truffle dog, and I'm not a truffle hunter neither. But we do have a lot of fun cooking with truffles and eating them. Vieni qua un attimo, eh? Parla tu la camera, talk to the camera. Talk to the people. You wanna say hello to anyone? Come on, vieni qua. Okay, the reason we're recording this video this morning is because last night we made what I believe is the best truffle dish I ever had, and actually Moosey Lucy as well, right? We combined the three best ways of eating truffles in one dish that was about 2 to 3 bites, and that's all. And I call it the triple truffle dish. The triple truffle dish is made with the 3 best ways of eating truffles. Those are tajaring, which is the typical pasta of Piedmont. It cooks really easy in 4 minutes. Then we use fondue, cheese fondue made with the cheese from the mountains. You can find it in any store, any meltable cheese will do it. And we use egg yolk on it, on top. So these 3 ways, usually by, separately, are the best ways to do it. But I thought that was, because to make a small bite, I'm going to make it really good. Actually, my mouth is watering. Anyway, let me have a cup of coffee. A drink of coffee. It is easy to do. Actually, you can just follow the video. I was just having fun, having some truffles, but I didn't want to record or anything how to do it. But now in this video, you can see the steps, and I can talk over and explain you how we did it. Cheers, guys. At this point, the fondue was ready, but I already sliced some white truffles on the tajaring. Then on top of the fondue, I just sliced some more fresh white truffles and let them sit there for a little bit while I pour myself a glass of wine. In that way, the heat from the fondue released more truffle flavors out of these truffles. Then I placed an egg yolk on top of the tajaring and the fondue and the truffles, and put some more truffles on top. Then I ate from there, and it was maybe the best truffle dish I ever had.